तेभ्यो दिविप्रकीर्णेभ्यः प्रायः सारतरुच्चयः क्रियतेष्टाङ्ग
Ayurveda, a proven technique and science behind our health, is our strength. Sneezing is a symptom to know our diseased condition. Ayurveda helps us to avoid or control these kind of symptoms very easily through healthy habits and few of the formulations effectively provided to get the cure. Sneezing can be due to various causes. For some, it would be allergic causes like dust, or else certain fumes, smells, fragrances, even of flowers can cause sneezing. But invariably, the treatment pattern module differs with a person to person according to Ayurvedic principle. The dosha kapha is to be controlled with different modalities. Breathing techniques are very effective solutions for controlling this sneezing. Rarely the nasal polyp, which is a growth inside the nostrils, can be a cause of sneezing for some. In this nasal polyp, effectively certain vartis of few herbs ground into a paste used for a short while, maybe 2 or 3 months, can reduce and remove, cure sneezing permanently. I can share you with a personal experience of one housewife, 40 years old, who had sneezing for almost 6 to 7 years. I had suggested, prescribed one formulation to apply on the head before bath and to take in. But I suggested her to take fermentation regularly, early in the morning as well as in the evening. But apparently I found the Murdhara Ila was giving a fantastic result. Tulsi leaves extracted in Rasnandi Churna or Kachuradi Churna according to the condition gives an excellent result. In 2 or 3 days it can be regulated to considerable extent. According to Ayurvedic principle, internal medication combined with the external application gives spontaneous result. So, consultation with a doctor, Ayurvedic experienced person would help to be resolving these kind of disabilities. Food restrictions need to be followed only during the period of cure. Maybe 3 to 6 months. In chronic cases, the medications should be continuously used. Occasionally, we can follow the habits of breathing techniques as well as Murdhara Ila and fermentation as the condition comes. When we go out to cold or dusty atmosphere, we can cover our respiratory tracts of nostrils and mouth to be protected, which will help to avoid further issues to come again. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please subscribe for the future videos and share it to your relatives and friends. We would be coming with different aspects of kapha disorders like cough and bronchial asthma through the next video. Thank you.